Hi guys! For today's video, I will be showing how to dropship on eBay using CJ Dropshipping. First, we either have to log in or create an account on this website. So if you don't have one, you first go to register. And here, you can see you have to put in your email, password, and agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. Or you can also register an account using these kinds of apps. For me, I used my own Google account so that it's easier. After you register, a verification code will be sent to your email and you'll have to verify your account so you'll be able to use this website without any struggles. So let's exit that and we'll go back here and to sign in. Now, as you log in, you will be redirected again to the main page, and now you'll have your profile here. Now, on this tab where the profile is, you'll be able to see many kinds of tabs. So the first one is the language that this website will be in. The next one is the authorization, and the next one is the wish list. The next is warehouses, print on demand, sourcing, and my CJ. But the one we'll be focusing on for this video is authorization. Now, this will give CJ Dropshipping authority to connect with your shop on any kind of website here. So, for example, on Shopify, on Web2C, on TikTok, on WooCommerce, or for us, it will be on eBay. So, once you click on it, it will take you to this page where you have to authorize your stores or where you have to add a store. Then it will take you here to sign in to eBay itself. Here it will let you review and grant application access, and then it will redirect you to this page right here, granting and reviewing the kind of access that you will give CJ Dropshipping to your own eBay stores. Here are the permissions, the terms of service and privacy policy, and you click on agree and continue. Then it will show here that you have successfully authorized CJ Dropshipping to be part of your business or be part of your store in eBay. And it says here, CJ will help you make drop shipping business much easier. Now that CJ Dropshipping has been authorized, we can start picking which items we can list in our store by going back to the main or home page. If you scroll down here, you'll be able to see various items that can be chosen from. However, a common mistake that happens when people first start dropshipping is when they randomly click on any available item that can be found on the website instead of researching about it beforehand. There is a strategy to see what kind of items should be picked in order to have items in your store that will be frequently bought by buyers. In order to do this strategy to have good items, you can click on any random item here, and let's say I will click on this one, and then I will copy and paste the name of the item into eBay. As you can see, there are items similar to the one here in dropshipping, but if we click on it, and if we see that the variety is only one, it hasn't really been bought yet by other people, or that there's only one quantity, and the price is not that cheap compared to the one here in dropshipping, then we can choose this kind of item because more people will buy from this kind of item rather than one that's already commonly listed online and one that can be commonly found already in eBay. So this is a good product. And now if you want to see more details about this item, then you can check out the product price and when it was last updated and the estimated profit as well. You can also see if there are different kinds of variations of this product, such as if there are different colors, different sizes, Then there's also the quantity, or how much do you want to list. Then we have the shipping fee, the service fee, the total price. We also have the estimated processing time for how many percent of orders. Then we have the SKU, the product attributes, the material, and the list. We can also see pictures and videos of the product at hand, so we can determine whether or not we want to pick this item. Here on the other side, we can see the rating of the supplier company and if their items are quality, if the service is high quality, and if the shipping speed is good or not. We can also contact the supplier and we can see where this product is being shipped from as well, and kind of platform that we'll use and where will it be shipping to. Then we have here various kinds of buttons as well, which are connect, list, sell and earn, buy now, customize, add the queue, add to SKU list, and photo request. Then we press the list option. And here we can see that there are many details. When you select the option to list it, this will pop up on your screen, and this window has many details about the product. So for example, it has your store name here. It also has here the listing site, the items left to list on eBay, and the amount limit. And it also says here something very important, that the products listed will not exceed the listing limit on eBay or else they will be removed. Then we can also see where it ships from, and here it says it's from China warehouse. And we can also select the categories that it will show up in. So for this one, I will select home and garden, and we can select many more so that it can be more visible online to buyers. Food and beverages, and then under that, I'll say other foods and beverages, since it is a blender. We have the variants, which are the images here and the little check boxes, and SKU, the kind of color that these products come in, which are pink and white, the estimated profit, the price given by CJ Dropshipping, and the shipping fee, which does not include the service and remote fee. And we have the service fee, which include the labor costs in products, quality inspection, packing, dispatch, and so forth. We also have the total drop shipping cost, and we also have price, inventory, and listing quantity, which is number 2. That's a good number to go in. Then we also have the price change. Now, after some time, since this is the kind of prices that will be shown, it will be seen on eBay as a cheap product that consumers can buy, and then after some time the price will increase or the price will change after a lot of people have bought it and reviewed it. So here, since we can see that it's around $20, we can say that we can change it up to 40. Or we can also check the recommended listing price, which will automatically fill in this area right here. Then here below, we can choose which kind of country that we want our orders to be shipped to. Most of the time, people choose the United States of America, but you can choose any kind of country that you want. There are many options here. And then we have to also choose our shipping method. Now, if you see the estimated delivery time here at the bottom, whatever you choose from this list also affects the estimated delivery time. So here I will be choosing CJ Packet Sensitive because it takes around 8 to 18 days. And the shipping cost here would be $14.16. And you can also have tracking information available if you choose this shipping method. Once you press List It Now, then the item will be shown on your eBay store and you'll be able to earn income through this dropshipping. I hope this helped and thank you for watching.